Back here with the Kaspa update. All right, and it got some good news here, especially with an RSI breakout here. Right, we're going to go over that here in a second. I got some pretty exciting stuff. This Bitcoin ETF, this literally just came out. This is 20 minutes ago. 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs are now approved or pending. If you go down through Ash Crypto, then Michael Vandepop put this out. The ARC 21 share Bitcoin spot ETF is approved. That was 1 hour ago, all right? We're waiting further confirmations, but it seems legit that we're going live tomorrow with this. If you click on this and look at this picture, all right, and it says the filing date January 10th, 2024, accepted January 10th, 2024, 10:56. I would imagine that's AM. That would be this morning. ARC 21 share Bitcoin ETF. Right down through here, it says effective date January 10th. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here, but you can see here complete submission, document format, fiscal year ends 12/31, certificate. Just looking through this here, but exchange approving securities for listing. Certificate exchange approving securities for listing. We'll see. Nothing official yet, but all kinds of stuff over here on Twitter. Breaking half hour ago, U.S. Securities approves ARC 21 share Bitcoin spot ETF. I don't know. All kinds of stuff coming out. So we'll wait for official confirmation, but it looks like a good possibility that the thing was approved. All right, we go over here to Kaspa. This is the top 10,000 addresses. You can see here a MEXC wallet minus 10 million, 10.5 million Kaspa within the last 24 hours. BitGet minus 3.8 million within the last 24 hours. All right, if we go to the next page, here's one here, minus 223,000 Kaspa. That must be just a regular wallet. MEXC wallet plus 5,921,000. So it's got some moving around of some big numbers here. Now, if we look at the up here within the last 24 hours, we've added 2 sharks, but it says minus 2 whales. Within the last 7 days, minus 1 whale. Of course, we have 228 whales. We have 11 humpbacks now. That's plus 1 within the last 7 days, plus 3 within the last 30 days. So all kinds of movement going on here with Kaspa. Let's go over here and take a look at, whoops. That is not what I wanted to hit. Give me 1 second. We'll go back here. Hope everybody's having a great day out there. Geez, I got it's kind of a creek running behind my house, but boy, oh boy, did it come close to flooding this morning. And where I'm at, we just got tons of rain, and then the snow melted. It's just been miserable. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at the Kaspalytics here real quick. All right, we got the hash rate, the petahash at 140. 601,000 transactions in the last 7 days. Wow. January 8th, 9th, yesterday, 88,000 transactions. All right, no changes there with that. All right, no big, that hash rate though. I'd love to see that 140 petahash. Here's the crypto bubbles. For the last 24 hours, you can see some stuff starting to pop out there, right? Bitcoin's starting to make a move. If it breaks 46,700, I believe it is. We're going to show you that here in a second. The Fear and Greed Index is up 2 clicks to a 73. 24-hour liquidations, 255 million. That's up 72%. That must be shorts getting liquidated. I would take it. Open interest, 38 billion. That's plus 3.76%. And look at the volume over the last 24 hours. 194 billion for the crypto market, up almost 50% over the last 24 hours. Yeah, liquidations are up 72%. Must be the shorts getting wiped out here because of Bitcoin making a move. We'll come right back to this chart. I'm just going to show you I've been keeping an eye on this thing. All right, any break up here, put this on the 4-hour. You can see this overhead resistance right here. Any break of 46,000, call it 46,800 bucks. All right, that's going to be that that wick high in here, which is right there. All right, so let's just line up on a 12 1 hour. Yeah, you can see it. It made it up there, and within the last 1 hour, and it's getting rejected down off there. But we have the RSIs on Bitcoin. The 4 hours just reset. You got the 8-hour trying to turn up here. All right, and we're going to get close. Right up here at 48,562 is that 618 fib level. Okay, so keep a very close eye on that, guys. The 12-hour is trying to turn back up here, and the daily is still bullish, heading up. And we had that breakout of this wedge, on the RSI. We had that falling wedge here on this thing, and it's pointing back up. So kind of expecting higher price movement as long as it can break 46,800 bucks. All right, then we're expecting Bitcoin to go higher. Kaspa, well, Bitcoin dominance real quick, because this thing's been taking a dive back. But look at this, just what I talked about yesterday. If it would come back and back test this blue line now, look at it, came down. It's getting, that wick's getting pulled up there. Would like to see it crash through there and Bitcoin price keep going up, but Bitcoin dominance coming down. That's what we would like to see. We got the daily RSI rolling over. It's bearish. The weekly's bullish. That figures 29 to 17. And the monthly has just flipped bearish at an 87 and a 90. All right, so expecting a little bit of a pullback in this thing, hopefully. We'll see what happens. If you would fit just a normal pullback to a 618. Let's put a fib on here, because we all know these things work. And we got a few new members. I got to do a member shout out tomorrow. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it more than you know. It really keeps me doing these things. I try to fit trading in, and over on MEXC, I love longing and shorting. I'm like so addicted to it. I have my wallet that I don't touch, but I do take a little bit of funds and long and short the market. If you're interested, I have a MEXC link in the description of the video. And to the members, if you're interested, guys, I have a level 3 membership for $14.99. Has all the trading videos in it there. So thank you so much to all you guys, everybody. The members, thank you so much, guys. I really, really mean that. You have no idea how much I mean that. Now let's take a look at Kaspa here, guys. The Dow Jones is up 136 bucks. That's good to see. The DXY is down 0.15%. And as far as Kaspa goes, we have a break on the daily RSI down here. I want to show you this. All right, right down here. You can see look at it. It's trying to break up through there. All right, there it goes again. We get a breakout of this symmetrical triangle here. Obviously, we're expecting a breakout on price here. So this is on the daily chart. If you're charting this thing, keep an eye on that. Put that triangle on your chart and watch this thing. It looks like it's breaking out of here. It's really trying to. Right about, right about through there. If this thing can hit 50, it's already breaking through there. Just gonna, hopefully it's not a fake out. We have the daily RSI heading up, which is great. We got the 12-hour at a 68 and a 73. Bearish right now, but that can change in a hurry. All right, on the bottom, you can see that it back tested. On a 12-hour, this thing would have been, would have already had a breakout on the 12-hour RSI. You would have had to refit your trend lines down here, but yeah, you can see that. Then the only thing about Bitcoin also, before I forget, we do have some bearish divergence on that thing on the RSI, so that's one thing to keep an eye on Bitcoin. On the daily, we do have some bearish divergence. All right, the 8-hour RSI is turning back up, a 78 and a 77. The 4-hour should be bullish, 66 and a 65. All right, so obviously we are keeping an eye right here, that 11 You know, any break of 11.75, you know, and we have a breakout here. That would take out this resistance level right through here. Resistance, all this resistance. We've had a breakout of this blue. We had to push up the back test. This should be the move, guys. This thing should start moving now. All right, so any break of this 11.75 area, and this thing should really start moving. I'm expecting that to really happen here. I don't see this thing getting rejected up here. You know, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this fifth wave up, which would give it a target. Let's put a trend-based fib on this thing. You know, you got your, you know, your wave 1 would probably start in there. The top of wave 1 to the retrace. You know, give it a target up here around 12.7, but that would break us out of this 11.75. What that would do. All right, that would give us this breakout up to here. Then we can back test this as support, get our correction in, and keep going here. I'm gonna leave that on there. We'll see how this works out, but it absolutely looks like a 5 wave up in here. Let me get this out here. Here we go. You know, you got your 1, 2, 3, your 4th wave back. It did not violate this. And then your 5th wave up. So that's what we're looking for here. We're looking for a break of 11.75. The RSIs look good. Let's get this break going. All right, up to around 12.7, 13 cent area. It could hit this 13 cents, get rejected, do an ABC, and then head up from there, and then kick into new all-time highs. So we'll see how it works out. You know, this is not financial advice at all, guys. We'll see how it works. All right. But I don't see this thing going down anymore. I see this thing finally breaking up here, especially a breakout of that RSI. I've been waiting for that. I've been watching for that, and to finally see this thing finally breaking out of that RSI. Hopefully it's not a fake out and it bends over and pulls right back in here. But on the daily, let's get that fixed back up. You know, there you go. You got your breakout. Looks like a retest, and this thing should be going. Okay, this should be moved up. We remember we rearranged it on that 12-hour there. So looks like a breakout. Thanks a lot, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.